Hello friends, welcome with a new experiment, with a very interesting experiment. Today we will learn about intermolecular force of attraction. So what is intermolecular force of attraction? Intermolecular force of attraction means the attraction between two molecules. Okay, two nearest molecules. Interaction between two nearest molecules of any matter or any substance. Okay, that is known as intermolecular force of attraction. Today we are going to learn about two force of attraction. One is cohesion, another is adhesion. Cohesive force and adhesive force. So what do you mean by cohesive force? Cohesive force is the attraction between two molecules of a same substance. Okay, and what is adhesive force? Adhesive force is the attraction between two molecules, okay, of different substance. Okay, so we are going to do some activities. Based on that activities, we are going to learn what is adhesion and what is cohesion. Okay, so first some activities with cohesion.
Now I have this bottle and I have made 3 holes here. Okay, you can just see these 3 holes. Okay, now what I will do, I will pour some water into it. Okay, and after pouring the water at the till top, okay, then what will we will see that the water will come out from these 3 holes. Okay, in 3 different lines. Okay, so let's see. I'm pouring the water. Okay, now if I remove this hand with these 3 holes, the water will come out. Okay, you see the water is coming out. Okay, now you can see these 3 lines are coming. Okay, now I will put them together and make them come in one line. So there all the 3 lines join together. Okay, all the 3 lines join together and the water is coming out in one single line. Okay, why it is so? Because the water molecules are attracting themselves. Okay, so there is a attraction between the similar types of molecules attraction between the molecules of same substance. Okay, so this type of attraction is known as cohesive force of attraction. So because of this cohesive force of attraction, the water, 3 lines of water are combined together to form one line of water. So you can do it at your home. Are you enjoying?
You can do these activities with used material that is available at your home. Okay, so have you seen this experiment? How is it? Fantastic. So in this experiment, what you have seen, that the water is coming out from these 3 holes, okay, in 3 different lines. When I'm combining it together, okay, they are combined together and coming in one line. Okay, what does that mean? That means that the water molecules are attracting towards each other. They have a force of attraction between them, and that force is known as the cohesive force. Force of attraction between the molecules of same substance. Okay, now we are going for the second experiment of this cohesive force. So for that we need some things. Okay, one is glass of water, tissue paper, and small pins, paper clip you can say. Okay, so these are the things we need. So now go for the activity.
Okay, now we're taking a glass and we'll take some amount of water into it. Okay, you can see this. Okay, some amount of water I have taken. Okay, and now what I will do, you can see a pin. You can see. So I will try to put this pin on water and I will try to float this pin on water. Okay, so what we need, what we have to do for that? Okay, we need a tissue paper like this. You can see. Okay, now first I will put this tissue paper. I will cut this tissue paper into small size. Okay, make it a smaller size. Okay, now what I will do, I will put this tissue paper on the water like this. Okay, and after that I will put this pin on the tissue paper. Okay, and I will use one pencil. Okay, with the help of this pencil, what I will do, I will try to drop this or dip this tissue paper from side one by one. Very slowly I will do it. Okay, slowly I will do it, so that it will remain on the top of the water. Okay, so carefully you have to do it, very slowly, as I am doing. Yes, and slowly I will take out the tissue paper, and you can see the pin is floating on the water. You can see the pin is floating on the water. Okay, so now tell me why it is floating. Because the molecules of this water on the surface, they are bonded together, they are attracted together. The force of attraction between the molecules of the surface of this water, it is very high, and that bond or that force of attraction is known as cohesion or cohesive force of attraction. Because of that cohesive force of attraction, okay, a layer has been created. Okay, and that layer is stronger, okay, than the weight of this pin. Okay, and that's why it is not going inside, it is floating on the water, because it is not able to break that layer, and because it is not able to break that layer, it is floating. Okay, it's not going inside. Okay, this is all about cohesive force of water.
Have you seen? How nice. So enjoy doing this activity at your home. You will definitely enjoy it. Okay, now we are going to do some activities on adhesive force. What do you mean by adhesive force? Already told you that adhesive force means the force of attraction between the molecules of different substance. Okay, so what if I talk about different substance? What is different substance? Different substance means, suppose I'm putting water into a glass. Okay, and then I'm taking out the water. Okay, after that, glass and water, both are different things. Glass is a solid, water is a liquid. Okay, so both are. For this we need a glass of water. Okay, now I will transfer this glass of water to another glass. Okay, I have taken it out. Now you can find some droplets of water on the glass. You can see some droplets. You can see some droplets. Yes, some droplets are there. They're inside. The droplets are inside. Okay. Why these droplets? Because there is an attraction between the molecules of the droplets and the molecules of the glass. Okay, there is an attraction, and that attraction is known as adhesive force of attraction. Okay, so in this way we can see there is an adhesive force of attraction between these two different substances we have seen. Okay, now I'm going to show you a very interesting experiment, okay, in which you will find it very interesting and you can do it at your home. For that we need very simple things. Okay, what are the things? Two glasses we need. Okay, like this, two glasses we need. One glass we should take like a beaker. Okay, you can use the jug. Okay, I have a beaker with me. Okay, that is a chemical beaker. Okay, so you can use any jug which has a beak like this. Okay, now what you will do, and one more thing is required, that is a thread. You can see this thread. Okay, so I need this thread. So what you will do, I will put this thread on one glass like this. You can see. Okay, and this thread and another glass where I have taken some water. See here. You can see. Now I will slowly pour the liquid. You can see. The liquid is traveling through thread, okay, and make it very slow so that it will travel, okay, otherwise you will face a problem. Have you seen? How this is happening? When the water is traveling through the thread, okay, so the molecules of the water and the molecules of the thread are attracting each other, okay, and this is the attraction between the dissimilar molecules of different substance, okay, that water is different, what is one substance and the thread is another substance, and the molecules of those two thing is attracting each other, okay, and that force of attraction is known as the adhesive force of attraction, okay. So now tell me, how did you find out? Okay, isn't it very interesting? Okay, so you can do it at your home. So this is all about cohesive force and adhesive force. Okay, enjoy doing this activity at your home. Have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.